Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I want to discuss how to get more followers on TikTok. So you should pick your niche that will match your vibe. It could be fashion, it could be comedy, storytelling, whatever feels natural to you. Stick to it so people know what they're following you for. Then you should post consistently, not too much and not too little. Aim for at least 3-4 times a week, and this will be perfect, I think. Then you should use trending sounds. You can find them by tapping the plus sign at the bottom center of your screen, and then at the top you see add sound, and here you can find all the trending sounds. You can go to some playlists, you see them right here. Okay, so this is regarding sounds. Also, you should make your first 3 seconds hooky. So you can ask a question, show something interesting. Just in case with this video that you see on the screen, the girl just showed the smartphone to the camera, and this is basically her hook. And I think this is her style of filming the video. So if you open whatever video, yeah, she is showing something, and this is basically her hook. So keep your videos short and clean. Under 15 seconds usually does the best. Make sure your video is sharp and easy to follow without too much fluff. Engage with your audience, so it means replying to comments, liking also the comments, and if someone duets you, duet them back. Also, you can use on-screen text so that people that watch without sound still know what's going on, and captions also can help a lot. Record your videos in good lighting. So the perfect way is to record in the natural light near a window. Also, you should have a clean background, clear visuals, because as we all know, it makes people want to stay and actually watch your videos. And finally, be yourself in your videos because real energy always stands out. Don't try to force what's trending if it doesn't feel like you. The more authentic you are, the more people will follow. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.